In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. With every new iPhone, and I would know I'm recording them every year, there is always the same burning question: can we finally resize icons like we can on an Android? And sadly, no, we still can't do that, but we can make them bigger a tiny bit. If you wish to do that now, hold your device's display and wait for your icons to shake. When they do, you'll notice Edit button at the top left corner. Click on it and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, select Customize, and then click on this icon at the top right corner of Customize pop-up at the bottom. When I do that, as you can see, my icons got bigger. To close Customize pop-up, tap on your screen. Unfortunately, your bigger icons will stay without labels. To go back to standard ones, go into the same settings again and tap on the same icon. Then tap on your screen. Additionally, I can show you one of my favorite things about icons right now. Go back to the same settings if you wish. Hit Customize, and then check out all of those themes at the bottom. Tap on the best one and adjust it using all of those sliders. My favorite is this one. To stick with your new icons, click on your screen. To go back to the default ones, go back to the same settings one more time and hit default on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!